Okay, I told you that before. I was gonna destroy that one combo lock, so I'm gonna take it outside and destroy it. So we're gonna break it open and find out what makes it tick. Here it is. Its death date is set for today. So it's gonna be destroyed. So let's take it outside and destroy it. Here it is. Now it's going to be kind of hard to do this because I have nothing that's dry to set the laptop on. So, I don't know if you all can see this or not, but this is the place with the best lighting I can get, so let's play the lock now. And what do you know? It's unlocked. And now the shackle's jammed and it won't move because I broke it. Notice I'm going to throw it again. See what happens. And nothing really happens on it. I bend the out of it. Now we're going to throw it again. This time I'm going to throw it really hard, see if I can break it. Ugh. Well, what do you know? Got the back off of it. Now let's see what makes one of these things tick. One more time should do it. This lock is doomed. It doesn't work anyway, so I might as well, what the heck, destroy it. Might try crushing it. Now let's see. One more time. This time I'm going to throw it really hard. No more damage is able to be done to this lock, so it's pretty much part of what makes the lock tick. I don't want a junk lock in my collection. That doesn't work. So that's why I am destroying this padlock. And that time, something bad. Funny. And here it comes, the moment of truth. This one ought to destroy it. And I was right. One way to take apart your padlock. It's the back of it. That's where the tumblers and stuff are that activate the shackle. And this little rotating thing that turns the tumblers combination. And this, folks, is the shackle. So, now that I know what makes a combo lock tick, think I'm gonna lock it back. Oh wait, I can't. It's broken. Let's go. I think there's other parts to it. I'm missing some parts. Well, it looks like all parts are present and accounted for. So, all I have to say for now is rest in peace, padlock. Let's lock it back. Or the way it would lock back. And I'll put the tumbler back on. Just for goodness sake. Oh wait, it's not going to go back on, so all I have to say for now is the screen was black. For a second, all I gotta say for now is bye.